So 2 ambulances passed and a cop car, but obviously I couldn't ask them for a lift. Maybe something bad happened. Other than that, no cars. This right now is when I miss my license the most. I've still got a month left on my suspension. Fuck, I wish I could drive. Things would have been so much easier. Huh? Because what do you say? What do you reckon, mate? I gotta start doing that, eh? So guys, we're here up at Waterfall station, waiting on for our ride. Just had to catch an Uber because it made no sense to do a 3-hour hike upside down on the same day. So yeah, here we are, just waiting for the Uber maybe. And started vaping now. It's not that bad. Saves me some cigarettes. So there you just let's wait for the ride then. Alright guys, we finally got off from our Uber, so we're here at Waterfall, and as you can see, figure eight pools. It's a 6-kilometer return. Grade 4 dangerous rock platform, access only at low tide in calm sea. And when I thought I would be arriving it here, I thought figure eight pool was here. But still 3 hours, so
3 hours
so I don't think the tide will support us. See, so we're here, so you gotta go all the way to the Bow Ridge track to Palms Beach and then take a detour to Figure Eight Pools. Okay guys, we're deep into the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. So I'm not saying it's gonna probably take us around 4 hours upside down just to go to Figure Eight Pools, come back. But then we came on an Uber, so we have to also go back to Waterfall station. So it's gonna be like, I don't know, maybe another hour, something like that. But seems like this would be a true test for a hike. Anna, you guys got her new hiking shoes as well, I guess. Anna?
It's not new.
Skechers. अस्ति किन कतिमा $130 मा पाउँछस् के अनि 4 घण्टा ब्याट्री टिक्दैन. So I'm just trying to take as much footage from Gopro as possible. म त सोध्दै थिएँ मा खराब हुन्छ कि नि त्यहाँ फर्किने बेला. That's why I miss my driving so much. My license on अझै 1 महिना छ. I got suspended for 3 months. Okay, school zone. Don't ask. Hey, let's. Guys, it's a 15 minutes पछि hike पछिको up top view. Looks like something from a wallpaper straight up. Time is this looks like it's going to be a fun hike. I guess you can see this is a fucking awesome hike. I'll jump like for there. This looks like a real fun track. Sort of coastal hike is it? Not this Figure Eight Pools, 1 hour away. Still 1 hour, but so far the view, it has been magnificent. legit magnificent. यो गाई चाहिँ त्यहाँ रोकेर भिडियो खिचेन भनेर रिसाएर आएको छ. Because it's a never-ending set of stairs. It's just like a different experience walking down this track. One moment you have sun and the other moment this cold breeze. Then you have this coastal track and then it's sort of tropical vibe. It's a very fun experience. I'm so done and dusted. I'm sweating like a pig at the moment. Sit down. I guess still on our way. Maybe half an hour more. But fucking good view. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Last like is last version sir. Main the sand main. I've got heaps of sands in my socks and shoes. But that's the beauty of it. Go some hikes, eh? Okay. But the terrain is so fucking lovely. Knowing that the destination is pretty, you just don't care for the small hitchhikes. It's honestly great. It's like them rocky terrain, you know. It's quite a task to walk down this one. I strongly suggest nobody wear flip-flops or thongs, because you always call it. Hi guys, very rocky. I think hiking shoes are must say runner shoes but I guess it's not that far. I'm just taking as videos as I can before my battery shuts off, you know. So It's going to shoes लिएर होला maybe मेरो नयाँ भएको रहेछ दामी राम्रो हैन टु गङ्गेटा त यार पकाउन आउँदैन त पकाउँदै While I'm talking I'm sweating. यो जान मजा आउला जस्तो छ है ल कान्छी ल 1 2 3 run. Mata hide भन्ने गीतकै भिडियो सुट गरे जस्तो लागिरहेछ हिँडेछ oh shit this is something else.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, ready to talk baby, can be your rock baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance just tell me how.
Too exhausted. Some birds chirping. You know, just look at her. Just walking like nothing. What the fuck? You know, these skinny people, they don't have as much body fat as we guys do. Sweat, didn't know what's that. Obesity, didn't know what's that. Fucking hell, just like jumping up and down like a trampoline in this bloody stairs. And look at me. Fuck, I'm sweaty, I'm filthy, I'm tired, I'm fucking fat, I mean, I'm not fat, chubby. So I think I want to switch to low carb or fuck it, low carb beers, 2 further hours to Waterfall station, and I'm already fucking done, mate. See what happens. So what we had feared exactly happened. So Gopro says no cars available and there's no mode of transport, public transport of course, and there's no shops or anything nearby. So we're out of water, we're not hungry, but we're dehydrated, and it's like a 2 hours walk to the station. So I'm very positive that some of the cars will eventually stop, man. I mean, someone's gotta be some kind-hearted. I mean, not everybody's a dick, come on. If you see some 2 people stranded in the middle of nowhere, obviously you would offer them a lift. Unless they're kidnappers, of course. And so, fingers crossed, somebody's gonna stop the car. Wait, where are you going at? You want to lift to the station, mate? Yeah, mate. So sorry about the accent. It didn't stop. I was very sure that they would stop, but they didn't. I mean, it's not right for me to expect some random stranger to offer me a lift, but you know, just in case. Anyways, one down. Let's see how many more to go. We're on a bet. Let's see who wins.
Of course I will.
There goes car number 2. Guys, see that car passing? 2 absolute fucking legends gave us a lift. Oh yeah, I told you we'd get a lift. See, I won the bet. I know you would never come across this video, but thanks guys, thanks. Heaps. Never been so happy been to the station before. And look, we even got bloody vending machines. Let's get a bottle of water first. And let's get a Snickers. Let's get a bottle of water. Coke. This one dry on. Okay, let's get a bottle of water and a Coke. A bottle of water and a Coke it is. Thanks so much, legends, absolute legends. Thanks guys. So, your boy's got his license back, and it's been 2 days. I'd say unfortunately we're too late, so we missed on the sunset, and yeah, nothing here. But it's exciting. I'm shooting this on my Hero 8, so I actually got 2 batteries and the camera replacement. So I'm just gonna put it on a time lapse and end this video here. So yeah. Just do the normal, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's spread it out. I know more videos will be coming. Let's grow together. Yeah, peace guys, thanks.